Recently unbagged my Ipsy, and this is the base subscription for November 2020, and I'm just going to read off what I got in my packaging. So the first thing I got here, which I was super excited about, is, it's amazing, this is from Kokey Cosmetics, which if you've been following my channel, you know I really enjoy Kokey Cosmetics, and I'll post some of the videos here or at the end of the video so you can see the rest of my videos. But it just so happened that I was looking at the website the other day going, I need to find a highlighter because I knew Kokey came out with highlighters, so they did, and this is in the shade Heavenly, if you can see that. I think you can. And it's just amazing. This is their Soft Glow Highlighter in Heavenly. Get ready to glow like the goddess you are. The highlighter is infused with gold light reflecting pigments to give skin a lit from within look. Okay. And the unique bouncy formula has a lightweight, creamy texture that is so easy to blend and build. That means no streaks and no caking. And the price for this little bad boy is $5.99. What? Wait, I let me get my reading glasses on because I'm like, there's just $5.99? What? Let's just check that price. Yeah, $5.99. Kokey Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter. And the tip it gives: apply to bare skin or over foundation using a damp blending sponge or clean fingers. I'm just gonna open this bad boy. Can you see that? Is that beautiful or what? Okay, I'm just gonna try this real quick. Oh, it feels so creamy. What? Oh my gosh. Look at that. What? That is amazing. And it went on like a liquid. That is gorgeous. I think I found my new friend as far as a highlighter is concerned. Now I am gonna put a little on here so you can see. I'm just gonna do it like this, just this. Do you see that? I'm just doing this with my fingers. That is amazing. Yeah. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is, and it has no scent, so that's good. $5.99, and this is the full size, I believe. Yeah. Put on my reading glasses because it looks like things are going good in this box. Let me continue. The next thing in here is the Aiko Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Carbon Black. I've heard of this brand. I have gotten mascara from them before. What makes them distinct is that they come in the tube like this. I don't want to open it just yet because I don't want to get air in it, but that's what it looks like. It's a squeezable tube, and then you pull this out and it has an applicator. I don't want to open it because once you open up mascara, the clock is ticking. And once air gets introduced, even in the slightest way, it starts to dry out. So, and it's inevitable, no matter how good, good you can be and how careful you are. Once any kind of air is introduced, and it does, because you have to insert the applicator back into the bottle in order to get more out. So, but I do like it. I just wish it came in another color other than black. So again, this is the Aiko Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Carbon Black. Get all the drama of falsies, but none of the hassle with this lengthening and volumizing, mascara. A few swipes coat lashes in carbon black pigments for crazy definition that lasts for hours without smudging or smearing. There you go. That's what it looks like. Tip: the guitar-shaped wand. Oh, okay. Thickens, lengthens, curls, and adds major volume. Now the full size of this would be 8 ml. This is not full size, it's a sample size. But the full size is $26 US. Yes. Okay. Next thing on here. Ooh, I know I picked this one out. I believe I did. Where is, oh, look at this, guys. Tatcha. What? Yes, this is the second time I think I've got something from the brand. I think I might have chosen this. I think. But let me just read what it says here. This is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse sample size. Dealing with oily skin, large pores, or uneven skin texture? Okay. This daily cleanser is here to get your skin back on track. The oil-free gel formula lathers into a cream foam to eliminate dirt, oil, and buildup without overdrying your skin. Oh, that's good. Tip, squeeze into wet palms and gently massage until it turns to a creamy foam, and then rinse well. The full size of this would be 150 ml, $38. That's just not cheap. But I've heard such great things about it. In the past couple of years, it's been promoted heavily through the major influencers on YouTube. So let's see what all the hubbub's about and do it safely in a sample size. Okay. The next thing I have here, oh my God, I had to pull this out because I had no choice. Look at this. Is this beautiful or what? This is from Motv. I'm just gonna put it up here so you can see the lettering there. See? Motv. And this is the Perfect 10 tapered face brush. Now this claims to be multi-use. I love the bristles. They're packed, but they're also, they have some firmness, but also give. And it just feels like a cotton tail. This feels so nice. Okay, and I will continue. This super versatile makeup brush multitasks almost as well as you do. The tapered tip makes it easy to buff your powder foundation all over, blend your blush and bronzer into your cheeks, and apply your contour and highlighter powders along your cheekbones. Tip, once a week, gently clean this brush with soap and warm water and lay flat to dry. It's always a good idea, once a week, take your brushes and clean them, sanitize them. Please, please, thank you, you're welcome. The price for this is a full-size item, is $22 US. Okay, I am so excited. If you follow my channel, you know I am all about the makeup tools. Next, but certainly not last, is something from First Aid Beauty. You can see that there. And this is their Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Looking for your new everyday moisturizer? I'm always looking for something in skincare. Try this baby right here. You get all the same benefits of the brand's OG cream, which is soothing colloidal oatmeal, hydrating shea butter, and tons of antioxidants in a lightweight version that feels like silk on your skin and is so good under makeup. And the tip is to dot it on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin and massage into skin. This is the deluxe sample. The full size of this would be 6 ounces at $34 US. And that, my friend, is my Ipsy November 2020 base subscription bag. Boom. Now, on top of that, 2 more things. They were an add-on, and these came as a set. The first one is, let's see, I got this and this. This is from the brand The Beauty Crop, and this is the Stuck On You Eye Primer, which I already applied in the eyes, and it goes on super creamy, and it doesn't have any pull. It doesn't pull at my delicate eyeshadow, my eyelid area, which I adore. And then the next thing that was part of that is the Kokey Cosmetics primer, and it's supposed to be an oil-free sample size, of course. And that's essentially it. That came, my add-ons came with my regular package, which was great. Overall, I would give this bag for November 2020 an A. It was fantastic. It had my skincare needs. It had makeup tool, of course, naturally. It came with the prerequisite mascara, which I don't mind. I just wish it came in other colors. I tend to favor brown or auburn, and eyeliners. Eyeliners and mascara always seem to come in black, even though I keep repeating that I'm adventurous and like color. I keep always getting black. I mean, occasionally I might get one. I think once I did, and it was in the brown. I love it. It's one of my favorites, and I treasure it. But normally I'll get black. Uber black, super black, noir black, ultra, ultra black, which is okay. But for someone who has lighter hair, lighter skin, black mascara and black eyeliner is not it's a little too dramatic. It could look a little harsh, and on certain people actually ages them more, and you know, you want to avoid that. So for me, it's like I would much rather prefer for eyeliner. I tend to like deep dark greens, olive greens, and even deep plums for eyeliners, even blue eyeliners, simply because I have hazel eyes, I have light eyes, so it makes my eyes pop. So if you're listening, Ipsy, I'll try again, but I always go to the, you know, the profile, I update it, and, you know, I don't know. I get what I get, and I appreciate it, and I will use it. But it would be great if I got something along the lines of what I really want. So, you know, that's how I feel, despite the A. What do you think? If you're a Nipster, let me know in the comments below. And if you're not a Nipster, why aren't you? You can subscribe right now. Just go to Ipsy.com, fill out your beauty profile, and set it up. And once a month, you'll get a nice little bag with a theme. And this month's theme is Be Present and Appreciate. Take every moment, especially now that we're heading into the holidays, to be present and appreciate the people in your life. Assess your life. This time of year for me has always been kind of a sentimental time for me. This is a time when things kind of slow down a little right before the rush of the holidays, when normally you would be getting ready to meet, you know, to travel, to meet your family, because not everybody lives so close next to each other anymore, especially with families. Some people live across country or actually in another country. So it's kind of hard, you know, to see each other on the daily, but you know, thank goodness for technology. We can FaceTime each other, we can Zoom each other, we can still use the old-fashioned way, call each other up, or really old-fashioned way, write a letter. I love letters, especially from people I actually care about, that I know who care about me. There's nothing like it. It's like getting a present in a box where I get this heartfelt letter from someone that is near and dear to me, and they're only sending me their very best intentions. And I don't know, maybe with the whole slowdown with the pandemic, maybe people will start writing again. I don't know. But, you know, I trust the post office. Anyway, so on that note, what do you think? I give this bag an A. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will know when the next video of mine will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for taking time out of your day to hang out with me. Take care. Bye.